Today is a special day because we're going to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland! When we were going over the border guard said, what do you have with you besides clothes, toiletries, and that sort of stuff? And I was like, oh, I have a Baby Yoda. And he's like, no, you don't. You have a Grogu. Our flight leaves in like 3.5 hours. And Andrew's complaining that Jimmy John's is like 10 minutes out of the way. He doesn't want to go there because it's so far. We made it to Jimmy John's. My favorite food in the USA. Well, actually this and Applebee's. I used to like bubblegum shrimp, but then it gave me food poisoning. So that one's off the list. So far, parking at this airport is so much easier than other airports. You just park your car and you walk right across the street and you're at our terminal already. Literally a 1-minute walk so far to the airport. If you can see in the video, you can see the tail of our plane right there. That's how small this airport is. So cool. Oh, it's a spinning door. It's like, yes, pennies from heaven for you and me. Okay, it's not as fun as it's slow. So apparently, if you fly Asian in LAX, you have to shuttle to get out of the airport. You're not able to get out of the airport without shuttling, so that's something fun, and I wish I knew ahead of time. It took about 20 minutes after we got off the plane till we got to exit the terminal. You have to go, it's loud. And somebody's angry. It's way up there. Allegiant isn't like this for every airport it goes to. Oh my gosh, there's so much honking at LAX. Wow. And yes, I know my hat looks ridiculous like this, but it's just the way I can carry it with my hands being full of baggage. So I know this is not a comparing airports video, but if you were to fly into any airport to get to Disneyland, John Wayne, Santa Ana is so much nicer. LAX is not my favorite airport. It's dirty, it's smelly, the people are usually mean here, and it takes forever to get anywhere. Now that might just be the terminals I've gone to so far, but yeah. Plus, Santa Ana has a McDonald's in it. I'm pretty sure not even just one McDonald's, but 2 McDonald's. So it's a win for Santa Ana. Plus you're like really close to Disneyland, only like a few minutes away. We made it to our hotel finally. We made it just in time to go to Pizza Press, so that's super exciting because we're starving. We thought we wouldn't get here till like 12 and it would be closed, so that would be a bummer. I was like, the whole time we're on that shuttle, I was like, that pizza place better still be open.
And we're just making our way over to Walgreens.
If you have a thing with germs, this is how you touch the crosswalk button. You stretch so you cannot have to touch the crosswalk button. Now we're in Walgreens. I always love looking at the little gift shops they have. Look at this Jack, it's so cute. And then they have Angel and Stitch. I think it's usually just stuff from Walmart and Target, because I know a lot of these clothes I've recognized from Target. Like, I got that at Target. I have those from Target. They're super comfy. But yeah, it's still fun to look at all the time. And there's some ears.
Alright, so success. We've got bowls, Walgreens across the street. 1 pack left and we got it. So we're going to be able to have some cereal tonight or in the morning, whatever we feel like. But
oh, I thought there was a rat. Sorry. It was a fountain.
Oh, yeah. There's some weird sprinkler.
Yeah, I don't know. Look at this sprinkler. It sounded like a little pitter-patter of rat feet. It freaked me out. Thank you so much for watching. Click any of these videos for more character fun, and be sure to subscribe for more Disney magic. See you next time.